I got pain from my waist up, and I wake up and I take drugs, and I say stuff that I make up, like I hate love and I hate that I can't. I couldn't hate you if I tried. It'll suck for a weekend, hurt more on the weekend. When I go out, see your friends, and I don't know what to tell them. I can't lie. Couldn't hate you if I tried.
Here's the aftermath of another Toyota. Definitely give your car a caning just to get back out of this beach. I know now we've done it. It's off the bucket list. And if we want to come back again, oh true, look at this. Someone's obviously had a go with the old eBay treads, left them behind, broken. Section. Me and Maddie both had a bit of a hard time. Both ended up having to let our tyres down to 12 in the rear and 10 in the front, and a fair bit of the bloody loud pedal. We got up here in the end. We're just going to cruise up this track now back to where we dropped the air out of the tyres before, and bit of air back in the tyres back up to about 25. The track in is pretty hard, so yeah. Send it. We're going to go back up, and while we're airing up, we'll work out where we're going to go next. I'm pretty sure we're going to head into Denmark, and go from there. Might go get a couple of bottles of water. We're all pretty stuffed, running up and down that bloody hill. Right, cheers. Bornholm Beach done. That was a nice beach, but a gnarly track to get off. So ticked off the bucket list. I don't know if we'll be back again. We're just airing up, so knock the tyres back up, and then we'll hit the road. We'll probably get into Denmark and go from there. See the new water pump in there now. It's still shiny.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking nouns. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body of mine, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, on my, grinding I'm like, hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love. Hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, on my, grinding on my innocence. Yeah, grinding on my innocence. Yeah.
Build my throne. The sticks and the stones that you used to throw have built me an empire, so don't even try to cry me a river, 'cause I forgive you. You are the reason I still fight. So you can throw me to the wall. Tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Beat me black and blue. Every word will shape me, every scar will build my throne.
So we're just down here. Pretty sure this is Salmon Rocks, just west of Peaceful Bay. We just come down because I've actually camped here Easter 2018 with me and a couple of mates and the missus. So while I've got Matt down here, Toby, thought might as well stop in and show them the tracks, show us the little fishing hole that we had over there on the rocks, and yeah, I think we're going to go and head back into Walpole because the day's getting a bit late because we had a bit of a night last night on the beers. So we'll do that, and then we're going to go and hit up the Fisherman's Track and go to broke inlet. There's one broke inlet, and I reckon that's where we'll camp for tonight. Yeah, too easy. Cheers. Beautiful down here.
Cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame?
Yo, what's attracting people to a life of fame? The nights awake, binging, getting blind for days. Would you expect a tidal wave of guys all disguised as mates who try to take a slice of that pie you made? When you're famous, you're the person people like to hate. Are you prepared for all the rumors and the lies they say? You're looking back at life, I never thought I'd go this far. Yo, I'm just thankful people welcome me with open arms. All these new friends and people that I hope to trust try to take advantage, got me thinking what their motives are. Girl, if the light's on your iPod and it's my songs, then drive on, cause a fan is not what I want.
Flame cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame? Cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame? What's the price of fame? What's the price of fame?
I was there on the day Troop died. Blood on my hands, throw 'em up in the sky. I was a #1 sinner, no less. My life was a lie and my wish was a death. I fell in love with the ways of the world. Money, the fame, the booze, the girls. But I couldn't stay faithful if I tried. I turned into a devil, you can see it in my eyes. I blacked out, told you everything I ever did. I couldn't take all the lies I was living with.
Put your right hand wheel,
broke up
see
the
what's
next
ended.
day. My bag's outside, yelling, get the hell away. You're not a husband, not a father, just a pig. And you can never change all the things that you did. That's when I knew it. It wouldn't last. You'll never get away when you're running from the past.
Yeah, just straight, mate.
Into outer space, float away, but you're my gravity. Die to love another day. We rise again and lose our gravity.
I'm a broken man, I'm full of sin. I'm sick of all this hell that I'm living in, and I can't escape it. This is how it feels when you try to numb the pain with 1,000 pills. You tore me down, wish that I was dead. Said you wanna sleep alone in another bed, but when I push away, you only pull me closer. It's only over when we both wanna say it's over. I gotta change, this is not who I am. I wanna start over, wanna try this again. You're everything I need, everything I'm not. So pull the trigger, give me one more shot.
Into outer space, float away, but you're my gravity. Die to love another day. We rise up.
So we're down here, Jaeger up. Come down. We didn't really find much after Walpole, so we figured we'd spend the last night in here. I'm just walking a little bit of this river crossing. It doesn't seem to be any more than knee deep, so we'll get the boys to drive it. It's a little bit deep here on the left side, but it's not even wet in the shorts yet, so we'll see how they go. We'll get the boys driving through. Should be sweet. Enjoy.
Astro. Yeah. Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, My dog will probably do it for a Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yeah, I tried to show him. Yeah, 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 yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Nathan's here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys, that's Nike boys hopping our coops. This shit way too big, when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had a back boost. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, Chase B mixes pop like Jamba Juice. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish it was a news.
Sunset.
Surrender retreat, y'all in too deep. Plan for keeps, don't play us for weak.
Sunset.
Surrender retreat, y'all in too deep. Plan for keeps, don't play us for weak.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slot the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room.
Alright guys, so we come to the end of the trip. We're almost back in Perth now, we're only about 15 minutes from home. We spent last night down on the Warren River in Pemberton and got up pretty early this morning, just packed up and come home. We've had a good weekend, that's for sure. All the boys are happy. I reckon Overlanding Beach was my favourite. That was sweet. And probably last night was a good camp. And I suppose all of it was good camping. Besides the first night, but there was nothing much we could do about that. We came down on a Thursday expecting Toby Inlet to be empty, especially with the weather being the way it was. Then yeah, we couldn't do much about that, so we only had some Aboriginal campsite off the side of the track on the dirt, but never mind, it's better than the city life. So yeah, we're all happy, we're all a bit knackered now, we'll probably go home and get the stuff off the roof and have a kip, I reckon, and tackle the cleaning tomorrow. Right guys, cheers.
Nothing nice, yeah. Vegas in my ice. Jesus Christ.